All right, it's been a little over 2 weeks since the FCC officially added DJI to its covered list. And since then, they've released a fact sheet explaining what that actually means. According to the FCC's own document, this update targets foreign-made drones and related components. That wording matters because it's not written as DJI drones only. It applies to foreign-produced UAS and critical components. But in previous government reports and national security determinations, DJI and Autel were the two companies that kept being named directly. And what the FCC says is very clear. New foreign-made drone models won't be able to get FCC approval going forward. And without FCC approval, wireless products can't legally be imported or sold in the US. But they also say just as clearly that this does not affect drones people already own. If your drone was already approved and already being sold, it still works. You can still fly it. Nothing shuts off. With this, we've put together a list of drones that already received FCC approval before this took effect, which you can pause to take a look at or check out in the article linked below. Essentially, any DJI drone up to and including the Avata 360 is FCC approved. So literally any future DJI drone that comes out most likely won't be available. These are drones that are already authorized, already in the system, and for the most part already being used. Those don't suddenly become illegal and they don't stop working. Where this starts to matter is over time. Drones, like most things, don't last forever. Batteries wear out, motors fail, sensors break, and normally when that happens, companies and agencies replace older models with newer and better ones. This policy doesn't shut anything down today, but it does make that future replacement and upgrade path more limited. And that's what people are really reacting to. This isn't just a hobby thing. Drones are baked into real industries now. Public safety, agriculture, utilities, construction, infrastructure, disaster response. Fire departments use them, police departments use them, farmers use them, utility crews use them. Over the next few years, if fleets can't be refreshed easily and new models can't enter the market, those industries don't suddenly stop, but they slowly lose capability that they previously had. Things take longer, they cost more, and innovation slows down. And there are US and non-DJI manufacturers doing good work, especially in enterprise and defense. But there is not yet a market that matches DJI's combination of cost, performance, availability, and range of use across public safety, commercial, and consumer options. They ruled basically everything. That doesn't mean, however, it can't happen. It means there's a gap, and we don't know how long that gap will take to close. This also isn't only about drones. It includes all DJI and Autel type communications and video surveillance equipment named in Section 1709 of the NDAA, like mics, gimbals, or other wireless products. So where do we land today? Well, the FCC has made it clear that existing previously authorized drones are not affected, or their related products. Your gear still works. If you have a DJI drone right now or an Autel drone, it'll continue to fly. What we're really watching for now isn't whether the drones suddenly stop working, it's how replacement, support, availability, and innovation look 2, 3, and 5 years down the road, and whether or not other companies will be able to step up. And just like always, we're going to keep tracking this closely, stick to the facts, be honest about what's still unknown, and keep you updated as this continues to evolve. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.